In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instamojo to Google Sheets with Zapier. We're going to set up a simple workflow where Zapier listens for activity from Instamojo and gets ready to send that information into Google Sheets. This is perfect if you want payment or order data to flow automatically into a spreadsheet without any manual copy and paste. Start by going to Zapier. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Create button and click it. Then choose the option to create a new zap. A zap is simply an automation made of two parts, a trigger, which is the when, and an action, which is the then. Think of it as, when something happens in Instamojo, then do something in Google Sheets. In the zap editor, click on Trigger. This opens the area where you define what starts the automation. In the app search field, type Instamojo, and then click on Instamojo when it appears. Now you'll be asked to choose an event. This event is the specific signal from Instamojo that Zapier should watch for. For example, many people select a new payment or a successful order, but the right choice depends on the exact moment you want your automation to kick in. Pick the event that best matches your workflow. Next, connect your account. Zapier will prompt you to securely authenticate Instamojo so it can read the event you selected. Follow the on-screen steps to finish the connection. Once connected, Zapier is able to listen for that event without you needing to do anything else on the Instamojo side. Now move to the second half of the workflow by clicking on Action. This is where you decide what happens after the trigger fires. In the app search, type Google Sheets, and click on Google Sheets from the results. You'll be asked to choose an event here as well. This is the action Zapier will take in your spreadsheet. Common choices include creating a new row or finding and updating an existing row. Select the event that aligns with how you want your spreadsheet to be updated. Finally, connect your Google Sheets account. Zapier will ask for permission to access your spreadsheet so it can perform the action you chose. Approve the connection using the secure prompts provided. That's it. You've set up the foundation, Instamojo provides the trigger, and Google Sheets is ready for the action. This structure keeps your data moving automatically and consistently, saving